Most people believe that to be rich, you need a six-figure salary or family wealth. But what if I told you that 79% of millionaires didn't inherit a single dollar? And that many of them never even earned a high salary? The truth is, wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's about how you manage, grow, and invest what you have. So, how do you build wealth from nothing? Start by asking yourself these 4 questions. 1. What is my financial goal? 2. What skills can I develop to increase my income? 3. How can I optimize my spending without sacrificing quality of life? And 4. How can I make my money work for me? Wealthy people don't just earn money, they use it wisely. There are 2 key financial levers you can use to get ahead. First, manage your finances wisely. Budget effectively, track expenses, and invest in things that grow your money. Second, leverage credit to your advantage. A strong credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, helping you build wealth faster. But used poorly, credit can become a major obstacle. Many people believe that wealth requires extreme sacrifice. But that's not true. You don't have to give up everything you enjoy, you just need a plan. I used to think I had to cut every luxury, but the secret isn't just saving, it's making smart financial choices consistently over time. The biggest game changer. Strategic income splitting. The wealthy don't just save money, they make it work for them. Instead of keeping their earnings in a bank account, they distribute their income wisely, allocating funds for necessities, investments, and financial growth. Even a small salary can grow into wealth with the right strategy. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck, it's about choices. No matter where you start, you can take control of your financial future. You don't need a high salary or an inheritance. You just need the right mindset, discipline, and strategy. Most millionaires weren't born rich. They built wealth by maximizing their income, making smart financial moves, and staying disciplined. They focused on long-term gains rather than short-term spending. If you're serious about financial independence, start learning about financial literacy, investing, and wealth-building strategies. The more you educate yourself, the better your financial decisions will be. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how well you use what you earn. The real question is, are you ready to take control of your financial future? The difference between those who stay broke and those who build wealth isn't luck, it's the ability to make strategic financial choices. So, what's stopping you? Your millionaire journey starts today. Make one smart financial decision, set a budget, invest in yourself, or create a new income source. Wealth isn't about waiting, it's about taking action.